ebuku no omra mehwem onfe nani said yen samansama bi esama ne tamfu ensuo no na no mu na deputy commissioner in charge of operations ye e wa abatuo commissioner Sam Watatade abatu dwa se efi afe apem ahankron aduokron mienu aye fititu aba e wa ha no e abatuo commissioner na ahwe abaso na ba wahwe so no wahwe bi kura ma NDC form kura mo wini de si den na sabere mu nyom mu gidie na asem a woka nyina ne se e wo se NDC aba amanyoko no enyom mu gidie na mpo Ghana fo nyom mu gidie efiri se de wahwe kura no okaso be kotopan ya nyina chinyi.
By law, we have also noted comments by the NDC to the effect that the very doctor that created the problem should not be the doctor that will resolve the problem. The EC must agree for an independent body to audit them. The EC holds a contrary view to the position held by the NDC. We reiterate that it is the EC that is clothed with the responsibility and capacity to address discrepancies in the provisional voters register. The Commission has been doing this since 1992. It has the experience to do this and does not require any external organization to do its work. Reiterate that the law makes provision for the self-auditing of the voters register through the voters exhibition exercise. Exercise makes available the provisional copy of the register and allows citizens to verify their details and point out discrepancies with their details.
Deputy Commissioner in charge of operations Emma Batuo Commissioner Mr. Sam Watatade Enyekoti and watchrey and was and two girls say and this for Ajobereho. Every say I be paying and Otimunya Mujidi, na Ghana for so enya Srobia, Munya Mujidi, na said ya bano ebesia kononesa and ya babu bono.
But we assure the NDC of a transparent process that would demonstrate to them that all their concerns have been resolved. Commission wishes to state that almost all the discrepancies identified have to date been corrected. As in 2020, Commission is committed to providing the country and all political parties with a robust and credible voters register that will guarantee free, fair, transparent, and credible general election in December 2024. Urge the public to trust the EC to do this again and again.
Note NDC for munye mujidie na mo kama kuma entum yam na empokura na timamufu ekoto aba no so munye mujidie na ye mutanchia bia de abato no beko sa na ye bebobo no Deputy Commissioner in charge of operations abato commissioner Mr. Tate na yekotie no yento akase ne so emfama muzabre ameka sei amanyofo ebontoa ne ntoa na bo no ene baabi obeduru bia sadio amanfo besi ato abade amano no ne saa na obeka no na wade age amanfo adwene na Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia Vice President ye ono na etu franka ade ama osuru kokroko amanyoko si university ano emfa emma no na okopiem e wo Church of Pentecost ene nungwa asem ena make popuni mantem kropom enkran na asem okoka ye nyina ne se Ghana fo nya ne mugidie no oto aba ede manoa ene ye nkania no enundum adentia oba de bobremu no wama ya awia no faso ne se ye betumi de generative power ye solar eno ti se wode solar no sa be ka ho pa de a ene power no ye benya bi pa na nya ye benya bi no ebe ma sa bere no power plant ye ne hwanya ya ne ani abreso no eno so ho beto dwono kakra na ye nkania no atumi agirigina so ne sa yo nti Ghana fo nya ne mugidi a 50% ye electricity be obete so
as no no also so the Ghana you taking bold decision you moving away from primary dependence on oil and gas now you're moving to solar power to generate electricity. Solar power. Yamidi akeye free. The harness solar power noa. You bet me electricity. Two things. Solar power no me present 2,000 megawatts of solar power ever come. and no at the electricity bill ever from by 50% reduction. The autonomy, 2,000 megawatts, it requires a lot of solar panels. And to be importing solar panels. You have been setting up factories for the manufacturing of the solar panels right here in Ghana. Now your memory, we will.
Omampani abedi achire Emma Oman Ghana Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia onu anese tu franka ade ama osukokro kwama nyoku no wose wonde oba solar power no ode biba beka ho ne sayo nti no electricity bill so Ghana for enya ne mugidie so obete so 50%. Na omampani dada John Dramani Mahama abiro bese mahani wono na etu franka biemu ede ama ndisi ama nyoku no eyezu eyeza Chiniyama nyokuo no na sabre na asem a woka nyina ne se aban beko aban beba na nso kata hihye dream die no ekoso pa ene se ohwe MPP amanyokuo no ma se de corruption no esi koso no ano odin pa wohwe All Africa Games ne PDS for na wohwe sika efifiri mu ekoye na amanfo from Ghana sika se brato no a sefem pa na so hwe mu kura no a ya na so twen asafo ye de ma wo mo no ye twe wo ma so anase ya na akoya amanyosem ne agya wo mo na asem a wo ka nyina ne se Ghana for eto aba de manua a fast track prosecution and ya see ade ko gina court so wadi aba sika nko ade ya yenche e wo se ye jeliu na Ghana for manfo hoto won
the person you see some opportunity at developing a capacity to manufacture solar panels in Ghana. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. We can do it.
People who are identified to have misappropriated public funds are fast-tracked and justice is done. If they are not guilty, they are absolved. If they are guilty, the sanctions that are appropriate are applied. Until we do that and have a deterrent, people are going to continue to think that public money is theirs to take or misappropriate as and when they want it. I said that we're going to create an independent value for money office. And so any contract above $5 million or as may be determined by Parliament might decide that it should be lower than $5 million because we're going to legislate it. Any contract above a certain threshold must go for value for money audit. We also said we'll launch Operation Recover All the Loot.
Fraga tu for man this yamanyokuo no yezu ayeza chiri yamanyokuo John Dramani Mahama ne na yekotie ye no na men's gold hwana ne dia na na apia mensa dodo no afre no number 1 emfie ni ena ojeji amanfo sika ye kwakot ye pie ye nte dia kwakwakosie na Ghana adisia won sika ekodi mu ewo men's gold o se won buafu pa eno to aka won ho abom coalition of aggrieved customers ema men's gold o wamadru abankesie mamokrata omatwera kwa abankesie mse bominana sika ye de kwoto ho na ban wo ye wadwene se ka betuatua mayeyo na namu ano so sabre hin wo won nam ena wo didi ne yira duane won nam ena frama papa bi efa no wa bra wagege amanfo esika eno to omkodru abankesie mu no kasamafo ema aggrieved men gold fo no eye Fred Forsen ene omukoye no amko abankesie ya juomo krata no kasa wo kan ye yenkotie bi
request His Excellency Nana Adedankwa Akufo, President of the Republic of Ghana, to give us a financial bailout and appoint a receiver to ensure that all men's gold customers are paid before 1st November 2024. Today marks exactly 6 years when men's gold was collapsed. And ever since this unfortunate and unforgettable event occurred, hundreds of thousands of Ghanaians, both home and abroad, have had our lives shattered.
Sabre aggrieved customers Emma men's gold wamko prim our bankesie mu omasem omde koto abayanim na enye omoje womkrata no omosi emfiensie ni omo entere na entifuni wa apagafo ewo ho eni omo koduru abankese mu na wo se omo de krata no ekoma Ghana wura woni hwan Akufuado na omo koye na oni ho eno te Emmanuel Bosman ono eye deputy chief of staff omo no omo koto no yeko omo de krata ne shemu okasa kakra.
Indeed, on the face of it, it's a very laudable proposal. You came here with a suggestion of a way out. 6 years, honestly, is quite a long time for us to find some solution to this issue. I'm particularly delighted that you said you have cooperated with the Attorney General's office so that the parts that have to do with the legal regime is upheld. This is clearly a passionate appeal to the president to come to your aid. I will convey the sentiments as expressed here exactly as they are.
Any a yekoti ye na se na adoda kwa Akufuado no na eje na nsoso se de bidika kan tifu ni wa pagafo ewo ho eno ti deputy chief of staff for ono ne bossman no mkoto no woje ye ne kasa ne bi na yekoti ye no apiatifo esu apiati abrawo sem ozi apiati no na ya pa apiati na adehye wo ho no omowre hoda no sabre omotemeka ombefa awrohom kakra omonkafra na sadi esiko ba ye no chemical bi a almost ye de ye mindset na kopa ye na ema omufie no anyina ehyehye enipa no bi fa ho afiri wo mo enkwa ene ukoduru apiati asa abre no a kuro na dan esisu nyisu nyina no enane ema ehore ye pradada ase park ye abanhye wo mo bo so obemo mba bi foforo atena ampa ode ese oyo enu si na ntamu omapani abedi akire wone soafo a ono na hwe from gudie so Samuel Abugina po omukọ no mkobie da ne bia no de mawo mu na sabiro mafo de bia nya ba bia atra phase 3 no akoya asem na omoye oye kire se omufie mo na omoma omonkwa eso emo ho ban sabire no yo kire omokoye ye no yenkoni enkotie bi.
I think we have done press conferences. We have informed the stakeholders about our needs, and we told them that if we don't hear from them, we'll demonstrate to express our discontent about what is happening to us. So what we need from them is two things. Is one, either they come to build our houses for us within this very short moment. They should start something for us to see that they have started, or they should come and then what? Sit with us and then pay our money to us.
Really, a crowd kaya abutre apiatifo we kaya abutre apiatifo no mo pai koku no mo pai lai omufie no nane ye dom timi nya ba bi ntra ba so besi ama omo na akoda ne mabo any demonstration eno so ya asem foforo na enu akire na municipal coordinating director Emma Pristia Huni Valley Mr. Jan enso omdi petition ko ye na MC ni ho ento no so na geye ye konko tie kasa o ka kire wo
Ushanfo be gina MC na mu na ma petition ni na bada ma se multi peaceful demonstration appear to see ye nyina ni ma je see ho na aban so abon ho modin ye appear to reconstruction otu na mo phase 1 o multi awi a nipa titi wo sisi phase 2 so aban abon ho modin a victims ni na mo sika kakra o mo de sisi o mo dan aka phase 3 na mpanyfo se oba kwa adware na o cha na o sisi no ho
ani aye kotie ye municipal coordinating director Emma Pristia Huni Valley Mr. Emmanuel Jan wabra na MC eni ho no petition ono na ejeto no ho se wo ba no akenkan mu na wo de akoma na doda kwa Akufuado apiatifo hianda yo yenko ne yenkosi emfama wo mo na kasa bi ekoso na anye NDC amanyuku no ede ni nyina ene se sabre se udru sujaman ono na sabre wagirem se yento aba emfama no eno ne Pius Hadize na nasema woka nyina ene se sabra yakọ Commonwealth Games no wode nipa bi koi a wogitum se ono na de wo ekoye na yase sabre no onsem fata NDC for na ekawu se yento aba emfama no se wonko mra hye bedwafie na wonko pri yedie ani mpuntu emra sabre ono na sai chief executive officer Emma National Youth Authority no yanyi ni dibia no emfamfiri nsem kasa ni nyina akọ se so omanfo a wa asujaman to aba edema no he America ye kwei obesa de nipa akwa etia Ghana mamra no
Indeed, my mother used to say, if you want to have a monkey, put makeup on the monkey, put straw in the monkey's armpit. In fact, use shaving stick to shave the monkey. It is still a monkey. No matter how the bad pious, he has decided to dirty himself again. And I have said that I know his dealings. Before the Austria saga, Pius Ena Majide formed a traveling door. That traveling door was supposed to be used to siphon funds from Ghanaian citizens.
Sabre se ode wani echrem ewo asujamana hot abahopa if say and this yamanyokuo no se debi onsemfata se dibre bia ye de ema no ene de ewo ho nyina no ke yanyem famfiri ni sam ne mpam no if say ne kasa ene nyitum bi okwagitum no etia Ghana amamra na chairman untumi ono ene asantemamu ha governor ono ane den man hu one di osukokrokwa amanyokuo nim ewo asante mantem ha obo adwuma pa na okopie mu ewo fomna na fomna okopie na ya nigisem ni nyina ne se National Executive Council echo meeting osukokrokwa amanyokuo no na o masem o moka nyina ne se second deputy speaker Emma parliament ye lawyer Andrew Amoakwasiama sabre wapaja ne nsa wono ena woye parliamentary candidate ema de hye wo fomna aya nigisem enu to manfo nto aba mfama no untumi yenkotie no
parliament na ye 137 na so enam onu nti no na ye kasa bia no ane ye kasa ye majority enti ne nsam bia ne bibia okodi ye bia no wanane nani amfa amane ne party ne da as bia sida ba kokra enti ye honorable Asiama de the whole party and the Formula constituency in our so Edanase pa Formula constituency there. Said the other man for me to say, Ebi J. Betumunu, you know, just a form of home.
Sir lawyer Andrew Amoakwasiama na enkane wayam pipini. Ena bibin tino otene ho kowini. Sabre prodigal son was so bad himself for why bonnet. Na ne boni a why ne say duru baby no oyi osukokrokwa amanyokuo no ema ye na so okopie mu ewo mrahye badwafie no na odo no saba sabre no wasan aba se osukokrokwa amanyokuo no di mu fam na waginam yento aba emfama no na wa bra adwumadie na se no wopaja ne nsa na ode oka so obeba MPP no ne nsem oka ye no yenkonko TB
Fewura chairman ane adofo a oka chairman ho bae consensus executive amenemo ha coordinators ne honorable members enne anapai enam yewranti enam MPP party nti yeshia ha odum sene ebeya party mbe konkan yeshia odum sene ebeya yesie nyina ni so say you be cross this hurdle the anymore, which is the 2024 election. No, you bet me crossing as in dream and waiting yes. A year for me na in BSC. They say BSC Biara, they be a 2 year check. I come.
Ose for menanimu dia sie bia wo dia to nachi enu nti yanto aso sabre osurukokroko amanyokuo no na wo beginam ade ama wo mo ene wo sunie na ne baso enie lawyer Asiama na yekoti ye no OCP fertilizer nsuo no toto yenkotobi na yemfani adwuma na nanum akuafo afra se omde OCP ye adwuma no eboa wo mo pa na OCP fertilizer no na adigu mfodie so a ebeso doso no atumi ate na biribira eno nti yekoto sa fertilizer we bia beboa ye papa na yenkone nkotobi na yemfa eni adwuma 0345909437 ebeboa ye pa clinic of the moment ye sciatica expert 21st clinic ye free Europe ba na sabiri no ye was South Africa appointment number no 0244915416 0244915416 yenko ne muku appointment na se ateka ne yade bie haye no yentu ase emfama yeduru South Africa appointment letter no number no enam de gu edwa no we are coming to your doorsteps na anopa no sia kase boy efiada no pay ye de emu ebesie na samufo asante ye bo a Benedict ye menua ba akosua somu so dela ono ende chichi fidie ne maame kuku abiro nyaka jando sabre onsode ye wasode krafe na oba uko fidi dem wozo so azuka ono ene boaye mfidie no anyina da ono hwe so na TV fo no so adawroma David no ene Obed no oma dawroma ena medi atwagu enso ewo so me ameje bre ekenka kasie ede mawo ene anopai ye frame ose ya aboaji ofosuo 19 fosuo monye bre na kasie edamase se mutie ye mamu nyina monitia ade na yeso de akono oma ihe ya dubu ache ogusu a oma ewiase nyina ache eno ti enyiwa fidie no mfiri ha mamu nyina mu nitia ade na